Well, hey there guys, I hope you guys are having an awesome day today. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Christina Brooke and this is my Glam Ranch. I would love it if you guys like the channel enough to hit the subscribe button, and if you do, hit the notification bell because then you guys can be early birds on the Glam Ranch and see all the videos right when I'm posting them. So today's video is going to be cool because I saw this going around YouTube. So I really wanted to do this video, but I had a little challenge because video is called My Cat Picks My Makeup and I don't have a cat. But I do have this guy. Yes guys, that is my Doberman and his name is Emmy. So I decided to get Emmy to help me out by picking the makeup that I'm going to be putting on in this video. So if you guys are interested in seeing this cute little video, just keep on watching and let's get right into it. So the first thing that we gotta do is we gotta get Emmy's participation in this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and get Emmy to pick the makeup that I'm gonna be applying. So let's watch this clip of my little baby picking out my makeup.
This is my assistant. You gonna help me out pick some makeup today? He's like, really, Mom? Can't we just go outside? This is my Emmy boo. You ready to pick some makeup? Emmy, wanna pick some makeup? Are you ready, Emmy? Oh, thank you for showing me your teeth. All right, Emmy, which foundation do you want? I think he's in love with the Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation. So I think this is the winner. Sorry, Hourglass. Sorry, IT Cosmetics. Yeah, second runner-up, but look at you. You're having a love affair over there. Which primer do you want me to use? That one, okay. Angel Veil it is. Thank you, baby. Angel Veil is the winner. All right, boy. Which concealer? Really? Age Rewind. Now I have a feeling he's gonna pick the butter bronzer. How did I know he smelled it? Of course you want that one. You sneaky. We're not gonna go crazy on the blushes here, but we got MAC and we have Flower Beauty. Oh, it's the MAC. Pick a blush. Pick a blush. Don't break my blushes. Which one? Oh, it's MAC. Oh, almost had a makeup fatality with the blushes. All right, Emmy, this is important. You need to pick a pretty lipstick. Go get it. Is this boring for you? Is this what it's like to have a man pick your lipstick for you? I need you to pick a lipstick now. Honey, can you pick me a lipstick? Oh, you want OFRA? What color did you pick? Well, that was an obvious choice. What do you guys think? May, come pick it. Which one? Which one? Don't break it though. Don't break it. Oh, NATASHA DENONA. Hey, this dog has good taste. Good boy. Pick a mascara, boy. Which mascara do you want? Oh. I think the Lash Paradise is the winner. Okay, Emmy, I know I said the others were important, but this is important. You want the Mega Glow? Okay, that's it. Thank you. Good job, Emmy. You picked a few expensive products, mister. But I like everything that you picked. Good job. He's a good boy, as he is. Look at that good boy. Aww. Oh my goodness. Don't worry, I'm not gonna put the makeup on you. Love you, Emmy. Say goodbye. Here's the lineup. This is what my Emmy boo picked. And yeah, I think he did a pretty decent job, didn't he?
All right guys, so Emmy picked all of these products for me. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and zoom you guys in and show you guys how I came up with this look. And this obviously is the look that I came up with all the products that Emmy picked for me. So let me show you guys how I got this finished product. So let's put on this makeup that my little Doberman Emmy picked for me. Honestly, never thought in my lifetime that I would ever say that I'm happy with his makeup selections. So the first thing that he picked was the Angel Veil Primer. So let's go ahead and put that on. I don't really like the Marc Jacobs foundation with primers. I like it like literally with nothing. So let's see how that works out. Emmy, you should have not picked a primer. That would have worked perfect. Let's move on to foundation. So out of all the selections that he had, and if you guys could tell in the video, all I put out was foundations that are not breakable because all I was thinking was this 100-pound Doberman running and jumping on top of my YSL foundation or my Dior foundation and the bottle cracking everywhere. So I said, you know what? I am not gonna do that, and I will put out all plastic bottles that do not break, and that was a success. And honestly, he didn't let go of this guy. He was in love with him. So let's put on the Marc Jacobs foundation that apparently Emmy is like obsessed with. So whatever, I guess, you know, maybe he heard me talking about this guy. This poor foundation has gotten such bad reviews, but I still really like it. So the next product that he picked was the Maybelline Age Rewind, and I've been showing you guys this concealer more often just because I really think it's such a great drugstore buy, and Emmy picked a good one too because I really like this a lot. And that's looking good. I don't like to set this foundation, so that's perfect that I didn't pick a powder. I'm gonna go ahead and just set my eyes with my typical, I'm just gonna use the Coty Airspun to set my eyes. All right guys, so I just put some Coty Airspun underneath my eyes to set that concealer because he didn't pick that, and I also did my eyebrows off of camera, and he didn't pick the Anastasia Brow Wiz either because I didn't want to have like over exaggerate on the products the poor dog was gonna pick because I wanted to keep the game fun, so I figured I'd just give him a few products, which are like the main products to pick. So the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula is the next product that he picked, and I knew he was gonna pick this because I mean it smells like coconuts and deliciousness, and this dog literally can smell anything. This dog smells everything. I knew he was gonna pick the Butter Bronzer because honestly it just smells delicious, and why wouldn't he? I mean seriously. But he did do a mixture of drugstore and high-end. He like, this dog does not discriminate against expensive or inexpensive. And let me tell you, I love all the stuff that he picked. I think he did such a good job. I'm like fixing up my office, so that's, I couldn't find my hair thing, so I put this one in. But oh my gosh, this thing doesn't even hold my hair back. All right, sorry guys, literally while I'm filming, everything just went, turned off. And I think that's because the plug like got loose or something, and I just like literally was sitting in a dark room with with the camera on, and I'm like. So now I'm gonna go ahead and use MAC Margin. I actually haven't pulled out this blush in a while. I see so many people talk about it, especially for like weddings, and just because it's very neutral, very pretty. It's not like over exaggerated. It's such a pretty color. Okay, so the next part is going to be fun because we're gonna do our eyes with all of the products that Emmy picked for me to put on my eyes. The beautiful NATASHA DENONA AEIRES palette that he selected. So let's go ahead and let's zoom in a little bit and let's see what we can come up with. We'll do something fun. All right guys, let's jump into the AEIRES from NATASHA DENONA palette that Emmy picked, and apparently he definitely picked one of my most high-end pieces here. Emmy, seriously guy. So I'm gonna jump into this color right here, and I'm just gonna put that all over my lid just to have something down. This is just to add a little brightness. I'm not really considering adding only this. Guys, I love this matte in this palette. This matte works so beautifully. The outer edge, and then a little bit to the crease. A packing brush, I'm just gonna grab this more burgundy color, and I'm gonna kind of put it like next to this, but I don't want it to go all the way in. Okay, then I'm gonna just blend these out. And I'm gonna grab this color one more time, add it more to the edge. Grab this color one more time, and I'm gonna focus it in the inside because I really want this to be like really bright in here. This is such a phenomenal color. I love this for just all over the lid. I could have just done that and just put this all over the lid and it would have been beautiful, but it wouldn't make for a very fun makeup tutorial. You guys would be like, that's it? If you guys have this palette, just put that all over your lid and then like put some liner on. Killer. So now I'm just gonna add the red color in here on the top only. So I'm using a small brush to do this. I don't feel like this palette and the Mini Sunset palette have the same formula. There's something different. So now I'm just gonna grab this color one more time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab this reddish color. I'm gonna bring it under my eyes. And with a big fluffy brush, I'm just gonna blend out these edges a little bit because they're a little bit harsh. Okay, my little Emmy boo did not pick my eyeliner because, like I said, some things, let's just keep them the same. I'm just gonna use my Kat Von D ink eyeliner. And if you guys see that I kind of pull at my eyes sometimes, it's because I have like an indentation here. I don't know what it is, but the way my eye shape is, if I don't pull up, I get like bounces in my eyeliner. So I have to do it. It's not the best thing to do. If you guys don't have to do that, don't pull at your eyes, but I have to. Because literally if I don't, then I'll have like bouncy eyeliner. So I'm just gonna blend out the bottom lash line that I did before, just to kind of smooth it out because I didn't do that before. And I kind of want it to go down really low. So I'm just gonna use this beautiful blue color to tightline my waterline. That's just because I feel like adding the blue, and why not? Guys, this metallic in this palette is like phenomenal. I love this blue color. I don't think I have a blue that when I put it on like this one, it literally like is no effort. I wish that all of her metallics had the same formula, because this formula of this blue is like phenomenal. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab a small, wrong palette. I'm gonna grab a small brush. I'm gonna grab this one, and I'm just gonna grab this blue, and with a defining brush, I'm gonna add this to my inner corners just because, why not? This is fun. Thank you, Emmy. I really like that. Let's do our eyelashes, and he picked my L'Oreal Lash Paradise, which you guys know. I mean, come on, how boring. This is the best drugstore mascara known to men. Mascara is done. We finished our mascara. What do you guys think? I love it so far. Honestly, I think Emmy might have to pick my makeup out more often. So let's put on this lipstick. I don't know about this lipstick, guys. This might be where it all goes to kaboodie. This is from OFRA, and I don't know the color. I really like OFRA's formula of their liquid lipsticks. Emmy, this doesn't look that bad. You know what's so funny is every time I say his name, he's moving on this chair because he has a chair in his room that he sleeps on his own couch. I know, he has his own couch. And he literally, I hear him every time I say his name, he's going like getting comfortable in his chair, and he's probably like getting up like, what, mom? Mom, you know? The last thing that he picked is the Mega Glow highlighter in Blossom Glow. And I really like this highlighter, and it's dramatic, and this look is dramatic. So why not? That's actually a good pick, Emmy. Look at that. I mean, come on. Can you get any more dramatic than that? I put a little bit of nose highlight on. Sometimes I think when people put too much of this nose highlighter on, don't they look like Rudolph? I mean, let's put a little bit on my lips. In the center. Still products that Emmy picked. I'm just using it on my lips. That's it. Let me see, this is my full face. And this is my full face using products that my Doberman Emmy picked. You guys think, I think he did a really good job with picking all these different colors. I would not have put this lipstick with this eye, and I definitely, like, there's a few things I would not have done. What do you guys think? Did he do a good job? Alright guys, well that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had so much fun filming this video because Emmy had a blast. Obviously he wanted to go outside the whole time, but to him all my makeup was like a bunch of balls that I was putting in front of him, and he could just like go and run and play with them. So I'm happy you guys were able to meet my little boy Emmy. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget and give me your likes, leave me your comments below. And when my face appears somewhere around down here, if you click on my face, you will subscribe to my channel. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!